Hello students, in this class we are going to discuss about the different concept of human geography. First concept is environmental determinism. When natural forces are more powerful than man, a human. Here, the environment is very powerful and man is the slave of nature. When one thing is powerful, then the other is weak. So, environmental determinism follow the concept that here the environment is very powerful and man is the slave of environment. Here we can say nature. In early stage of man's evolution, technological development was very low. Man obeyed nature and afraid of her fury and worshipped her. In early stage of human development, man is worshipped the nature and obey the nature. But according to the technological development, man is becomes little powerful. He can change the environment according to his requirement. This type of situation can be seen in tribal areas of India. It means this type of situation, it means where the nature is more powerful than man. In tribal areas, there is not so much technology so that they can change their situations. These areas are located in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and northeast states of India. It means जो eastern states, seven sisters, tribal areas where provisions of sixth schedule are applicable are known as tribal areas. Tribal areas are those where the sixth schedule are applicable. Next, mother nature. Just like mother protect or us from different circumstances, like this, when man expand on nature, when man depend on nature for resources which sustain them, it means those resources are found, yeah, given by nature and man sustain them, man use them. In tribal areas, physical environment become the mother nature. Physical environment become mother nature. It means the environment which is present in the areas of tribal areas, human adjust with the nature and the nature protect them. So here the physical environment become the mother nature in tribal areas. Next concept is possibilism. The idea that human beings are controlled by nature was rejected. Possibilism says that human being is not controlled by the nature. He can change the nature according to their requirement. Other scholars or geographers who represent the possibilities of human development or power to choose according him. Men are seen like a active agent. It means men are continue in work to change the environment according to their requirements. Our next concept is humanization. It is a new approach used in mid 90s. It leads to welfare approach. Humanization is work according to the welfare approach. It represents the capabilities of man, creativity and technological advancement. Next concept is neo-determinism. This is also known as the present day determinism. Stop and go determinism is also the other name of neo determinism. This theory was introduced by Griffith Taylor. Griffith Taylor belongs to Australia. He is a great scholar of geographer. Griffith Taylor criticizing the possibilism and put his own concept of determinism. It means Griffith Taylor not spotting the possibilism, he spot the concept neo-determinism. He stressed that geographer's role is essentially that of an advisor and not to interrupt the nature's lanes. It is the madhyam mark between determinism and possibilism. He says that neo-determinism is the midway. It means madhyam mark of determinism and possibilism. It means that possibilities can be created within the limits which do not damage the environment. He spot the concept we can change our environment but without the damaging the environment. It means man can change the environment but he is not allowed it to damage the environment. In 1948, Griffith Taylor book Australia published. Man is able to accelerate, slow or stop the progress of a country's development. Man can play an important role in the progress of country's development. According to the man's activities, the speed of development of any country can increased, can be slow, may be stopped. Stop and God determinism express succinctly the writer's geographical philosophy. It is the philosophy of Griffith Taylor. According to this approach, neither is there a situation of absolute necessity. It means environmental determinism, nor there is a situation or condition of absolute freedom. Here the two concept environmental determinism. In this, man is not free, he is required the environment, and when the man is totally free in the concept of possibilism, it means according to the possibilism, man is free, he can do what he want to do, he can change his situations, conditions, but environmental determinism says that man is not free, he have to work under the environmental conditions. According to Bacon, nature can be conquered only by obeying her. We can win the nature by obeying her. We have to follow the natural circumstances, etc.